3.5 years after a physical confrontation in a deep Ellum parking lot, the man charged with assaulting a woman goes on trial.
Cell phone video is key evidence in the case. It shows Austin Shuffield knocking a phone away from LaDejanique Lee. She hits him. He hits her back several times, closed fists. So we're about to show you more of that video with context supporting testimony. Fox 4's Sean Rabb was in court today. All right, Sean, what do you know?
Yeah, you know, when this first happened, there were a lot of voices that were raised around this incident, but they weren't here at the courthouse today. The only voices today here, the ones that matter from the witness stand and those that speak through the evidence, starting with that cell phone video.
This video of what happened that night in Deep Ellum, March 19th, 2019, played unfiltered for the jury of 7 men and 5 women. Austin Shuffield facing aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and aggravated assault serious bodily injury charges for the violence against LaDejanique Lee.
The primary elements that are necessary are that there has to be a deadly weapon involved, and then that the victim has to have a fear of death or serious bodily injury from it.
Attorney DeMarcus Ward, former prosecutor, now defense attorney, not involved in the case. But this man, Philip Wishart, is. He posted video of the fight to Facebook under the name Ricky Tan, a character in the movie Rush Hour. Wishart testified he heard Austin Shuffield use the N-word and that when he watched Shuffield strike Lee, quote, "It made me feel bad. It was disgusting. He beat her like she was a man." Scott Palmer and Rebecca Pearlstein defending Shuffield. They contend while Shuffield did have a gun seen in video by his side, but that it was not part of their altercation. And Lee did not mention to police his having a weapon.
In a case like this where a person has suffered medical injuries, it is very common for the police to use other evidence other than just the very first statement that they get from the victim.
Lee's injuries took up most of the testimony. Texas Health Presbyterian Emergency Room physician Michael Fawcett testified he saw Lee when she showed up at ER March 20th, some 20 hours after the parking lot fight. The point of contention, whether Lee suffered a concussion or not. Fawcett testified, quote, "My diagnosis was a head injury, not a concussion."
The defense is going to argue the four corners of the medical records because that is something that's tangible. The doctor obviously has specific training to speak and testify and treat someone for this.
Russell Wilson and Messina Matson are the special prosecutors put in place by Judge Leila Mays. She disqualified the district attorney's office because Shuffield's attorneys accused the DA's office of bowing to protest pressures, upping charges from misdemeanor to felony against Shuffield while dropping charges Dallas police brought against Lee for damaging Shuffield's truck.
So that's a big part of this case, whether the crime fit the charges. The defense contends it does not. Today, testimony was only half a day. Tomorrow, though, a full day of charged testimony is expected.
All right, Sean, thank you.